Good morning, everyone. It is Tuesday, November 2nd. For many of you, it is a voting day, so get out there and vote. If you don't vote, then don't complain. There you go. That's my thought on voting. Plain and simple. All right, let's take a look here. Our futures are pushing up. They're edging up just a little bit. We were a little bit more red earlier in the session, and now we're kind of moving over to just a little bit of green across the indexes. We do have the Fed starting to meet here, and so keep in mind that we might see some talk about what there's going to be a lot of probably back and forth on what they think they're going to say, and then we'll probably get a taper policy here shortly. But anyway, that meeting starts today. All right, what else is happening? Yesterday, this is what we were watching for, a push back up in Bitcoin, and it is doing so here this morning. We had quite a few Bitcoin names. We talked about it a lot yesterday, kind of waiting for the move, and it looks like it is here today. So good for that. And then I do want to touch on real quick Tesla. Tesla has just been, oh my goodness, at ludicrous speed. See what I did there? Tesla, ludicrous button. Anybody? All right. Well, I'll just laugh in my head. And today it is actually pulled all the way back down to yesterday's open on a tweet from Elon Musk himself. Thanks for posting that in the room. It really makes it it's just so helpful. The room is so helpful when you come in and help. You know, everybody's kind of watching, you know, things that they like, but it really helps to have those eyes everywhere. And so thank you for pushing this or posting this tweet by Elon saying that a deal has not yet been inked with Hertz, so it is on a pullback. Good though, it could use a little pullback. So, all right, so that's that. Let's hop on over into a few charts. I'm gonna start right here with the chips. Look at that bullish engulfing. It ate up just a couple days of price action, but because that we had these wicks, but so much of the actual volume sat right in here, and we pushed right up above it. You can see where the volume is sitting right here. Right, this is the volume according to price level, and really once we broke out of that 122.80 area, it went for a nice little hike up, and several of the chips are doing well. Okay, so NXPI actually reported after the bell. I'm in AMD, but this is still good for a setup here. I like the AMD 130s in December, so everything will be in December. But some of the NXPI did report it is coming back and sitting right on its 50. Not bad. I don't know. I know that they beat on top and bottom, but I'm sure it was guidance and supply chain constraints, which is really what is dictating the reaction to. Seems to be dictating the reaction to any earnings out there. So, but some of the other chips I would definitely watch. NVIDIA continues to be incredibly strong here. I like the December 260s in NVIDIA. AMD, as I said, I like the 130s, although I am already in. Mine are red, but if we continue today, I think that they'll probably move to the green side. XLNX is another one to keep an eye on. This one doesn't really have great options, but a very strong stock and looking to break all-time highs here over 186. And then one that popped up on our list yesterday when we ran the scan, Microchip Technology, anything over the 50. It does have earnings coming up, so probably just a day trade, but MCHP, again, not any options that I like, but I do like this for a potential equity trade. Okay, what else do I like? Oh wait, I'm gonna stay in technology for a minute. STX, Seagate Technology, love this. Right, we broke this much longer term downtrend. We came up, we sat on top of this point of control here for a while, took a really nice leg up. We're past earnings. Today we are right near where we closed yesterday, sitting at this fib line. I like anything over yesterday's close. Watch for the break above yesterday's high, and then the next resistance at about 94.50-ish. 94.50-ish. I like CSTX, and that I like those at the 90. This one was on our list yesterday. Continues to be one to watch. It is just a day trade because you can see here that we are reporting after the bell. See if we get a little frisky and continue to move on here. Anything over today's high, I like apps, and I like the 90s on those. I'm just trying to look here and see CRM, that's another one. Salesforce here, continuing just these nice little climbs. You know, it's not giving us a great big huge energy candle or anything like that, but it is just continuing to climb. News just kind of been trickling out, partnerships with other people, and CRM, just a really strong platform here. I like this at the 310. Teladoc. So this one's been beaten up for quite a while. Good earnings, nice push, and sitting here, you can see this triple top, looking for another test of this topping here at 153.15. Sorry, yeah, 153.15. Anything above that, I like. I like TDOC, and I like those 150s. All right, let's take a step over into a FANG stock. Netflix. Netflix has been really nice, right? We move up, little bull flag, nice pull inside yesterday's candle, all of our price action inside yesterday's candle. So look for a move, and this will go either way. Anything above yesterday's close, or yesterday's high rather, is a long, and anything below yesterday's close is a put. Looking more for the long side here, I like these 700s. Hanging out here in the FANGs. Microsoft, again, super strong, took a nice little pause yesterday, so looking for continuation on that here today. I like the 330s. Bitcoin moving, still like coin. This one we talked about yesterday. The 320s were the ones I was watching yesterday. I'm actually going to flip that over and watch the 350s here today, so keep an eye on coin. And we'll end here with Centene Corporation. I have a couple more. Centene Corporation, CNC. Interesting pattern here. You know, we get some good up, get a break, up, take a break, up. So we'll see if this is a break day, but overall I like the look of it. We do have resistance coming up here at that 73.50, but keep a good eye on it. I like this for a continuation. 72.50 strike is the ones I would take a look at. Getting to a little retail therapy, Kohl's, anything over the 50, and I like the 50 strike there. And Devon Energy, just a couple energy plays like this for a move to all-time highs. They do have earnings after the bell here today, so be cautious of that. It would just be a day trade. Yep, after the bell. It would just be a day trade, and on that I like the 43s. Hanging in energy. I am in XLE too, though, so I have the bigger basket ETF of it. But EOG, super small candle, earnings coming up, so looking for a day trade in EOG. I like the 100s. All right, that is it for me here this morning. Oh, and wait, quick little sector I would probably take a, keep an eye on is solars. So we had really nice moves. I would like to see a little bit of a break and then the continuation. So I haven't set these up, but keep an eye on some of these solars. Enphase is beautiful. FSLR. Run is another one. So lots of solar plays out there. Keep an eye on that sector for a little bit of a break and then a continuation. Okay, that is it for me this morning. If you have any questions, Heather, see you at givingtreetrading.com.